How to fix no music results found in Instagram story. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you're facing the issue of no music results found in your Instagram story, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve this issue. Now, the reason why this might occur is simply because Instagram does not have that song in their Instagram library, or it might also be because it's not available in your account. So when you tap on browse as well, if you find this error where you're not able to find the music, that just means it's not available to you on your Instagram. So I'm going to show you a very easy fix for this. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, you want to check the account type that you're in. So if you are in your professional account or a business account, then this might limit the music that is available to you. And that's because the creators use the music for advertising or to get more clients. So the music is restricted in the professional account. The solution for this is to switch to your personal account. For that, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Now you want to tap on settings and privacy. Once you're here, tap on the option that says creator tools and controls. Now from here, tap on switch account type. Now tap on switch to personal account. Tap on switch to personal account for confirmation. Once you do that and you have switched to your personal account, then the music will not be restricted anymore, because in the personal account that sort of restriction is not there. So the songs that you can browse is not limited, and the issue of no music results found will get solved once you do this. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.